This Autodesk Fusion tutorial is part of a series of learning Fusion from mechanical drawing problems from a mechanical drawing textbook. In this lesson, we're going to draw this V block, and the problem presents the student with the task of finding the dimension that's denoted in the question mark here. But first, let's go ahead and draw half of the V block. Why half? Because we have a center line right here, so we only need to draw half. Select Create Sketch, then select the front ZX plane. Press L on your keyboard, start at the origin, draw up, then at an angle, then over, then down, then over, down again, and then back to the origin. Now let's add some dimensions based on the sketch. Press D, select this lower line, and type 5/8 inches. Notice that it's red. Fusion gets mad when you have a fraction and then a unit. But we can type times 1 and Fusion is okay. Then press D, select this line. This is 1 3/8 inches. This line at the top here is 0.5 inches. The entire height is 3 inches. And this line is 45. To make a degree dimension or angle dimension in Fusion, click one line, then the other line, move your cursor to where you want the angle to be, and type 45. Now we have to figure out what this question mark is. And this is important because often when you're looking at blueprints, schematics, third angle projections, you might not have the dimensions everywhere. But over here, we can see that this is 6 3/8 inches. That's enough information for us to finish the V block. Select this line, then type parentheses, 6 3/8 inches, close parentheses, and then divided by 2. That way, Fusion does the math for you. Press E to extrude. The direction will be symmetric, and the distance will be half of the 3 inches, so 1.5 inches. Now we have half of our V block. We need to mirror on the other side. So in Fusion, to mirror, click Create, Mirror. The object type will be bodies. Select this body. Select the mirror plane. We could select this face of the body, but in Fusion, it's always better to select something that won't move. And in this case, this plane will not move. The operation will be join, and then select OK. And there you have it. Now we've modeled a V block from a problem set in a mechanical drawing textbook. We also learned how to find dimensions when they're unknown, as well as use math and how to type in fractions and a unit inside Fusion. We also learned the mirror command. We're going to study lots more mechanical drawing principles and modeling principles inside Fusion. Happy 3D modeling!